Good. What I found?
Good, we're gonna get this done now.
Yeah.
It's gonna be my gym for the day.
Yeah, yeah. I thought it was more light. Oh,
It's a really hot day.
that is really hot.
Wow.
Hello back.
Hello back.
Hi.
We have to climb up there.
Not me.
No. But
Yeah.
we will figure it out.
Yeah, but it seems like it when you work on the 𝐸𝐴𝐡, hot day is hard because it heats up. It's gonna burn you.
It's gonna be
I was accidentally sit over there and it was just super hot.
It's a really hot day today. Guys, hi, welcome back.
Not have any cloud.
Yeah, it's a really beautiful day. It's really warm, but we have scheduled to have today and tomorrow to get the roofing done.
Yes.
Last week was 𝑛𝐴𝐴𝐻. We decided just to take the week off. You know, that's okay. We thought that we would finish the roof before 𝐴𝐴𝐻. We decided not to. We decided that spending time with our family and spending time was more
Yes.
important than finishing this roof. 𝐴𝐴𝐻 is finished, so it's back to work. We're gonna get this roof done. We have 2 days. Your family are still here, so we are going to utilize them today and tomorrow
Yes.
because it's quite hard to get it up. We have been discussing this morning a little bit how we're going to do it, so we kind of have a plan. As I said last time, our roof arrived, and what we're using is 15 centimeter hard compound foam, which has metal on the top, metal on the bottom. It is tongue and groove, so it's just to fit and go from one side to the other. Here in Mongolia, you can buy them as 10 centimeters or you can buy them as 15 centimeters. We decided to go for the 15 centimeters to give us that extra
Warm.
extra warmth inside the greenhouse. Better to go a little bit more than need more later.
Yes,
like that.
exactly.
What we're going to do is we've worked out that this needs to be the side of the greenhouse to line up. So basically we need to cut this off with a metal cutter, and then once we've done that, we have metal side pieces that will slide in, and we attach that. Once we have the first piece ready, we're going to put it up and test the length and everything that we need, and then we start to put it up. So Zula's dad's going to do the metal cutting, which is great. Easier to cut. We started using the water because we noticed the metal cutter was burning the foam. So just putting a bit of water on, but that helps. Good morning, Amy. How are you? What we're trying to do is get the first piece as square as possible so that when we go all the way across we don't have a big problem on the other side. But it's a challenge because there are little differences between each side. It's really taking us a long time to get it as square as possible, but we got there. It took us some time. But now we have everything square, so now we're going to drill the holes and install the 23 centimeter bolts and secure the first one. Once that's secure, then it's going to be pretty easy to get the rest of it. So that's what we're going to do.
Baby, you and me been like a slow drive. Used to be on fire, now we're all burnt out. Standing at the crossroad, no doubt. Baby, you and me like a broken beat. Try to find a rhythm, hit a dead end street. How we got to here is a mystery.
So just a little bit of foam in between the wood and the metal, and that's, as we screw it down, it's going to harden. So it's just going to make a more airtight gap.
Let's make it last, put a new record on. I'm so tired of this old song. Turn it up a notch. Let's show 'em what we got. Let's make it last. This is too good to lose. Baby, we can't kick this blues. Honey, break the beat. On the song that's on repeat and make it last. Oh, baby, you and me like an endless sea, like a bright light shining down on me. You are all the colors I see.
When we're on the roof, we need to drill the holes, and it's very slippery, so we're sliding down a bit. So Zula's dad came up with an idea to build it in the staircase that can go on there. Brilliant idea, it'll work. Then we can get on top and do the screws. Woo! It works.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Love moves like a river flows. No one knows where it goes.
Good idea.
What are you doing there? Lazy man.
No joke.
You lazy man.
Lazy man. I haven't had a day off. Oh yes, we had none. Besides that.
Off a whole week. What you talking about?
Exactly. If only you knew the truth. No, we were off, but we still had to do all the concrete and the wood and those other things. No, because we want to get the wood, and then we have to put the other one on top, so we don't know exactly where the wood is, so we have to make a line. Gone really, really smoothly. I think now that you start to get into a rhythm and it just pops up. So we have one more to go And then the ladder works great. Everything's lined up, square. Mark, drilling the holes. Last one. Cool.
Last piece.
Last piece. So the problem that we knew that we were going to encounter is once we have exactly the size of the greenhouse with the foam on and the concrete, and then buying the roofs, which are not exactly 1 meter, they are 94, not 96. So we have a gap. So that is our big problem. How we solve it? Do we buy one new piece, which I promise you they are not cheap, and no one's paying us for the greenhouse, so it's on our own credit card. So do we buy a whole new piece, or do we solve it some other way? We will come up with something, but that is our headache. But let's get this piece on and we'll solve that another time. Okay. So the roof is done. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. No, it's good. Not fun off. Coming for me! You're coming for me! All done! All done! The roof is all done, nothing more to do.
Yeah, we are finished.
The roof, okay, it's hard work, but it goes on pretty easy. We will solve.
Yeah, but first one a bit challenging.
Exactly.
but-
That took a couple of hours just to make sure that it was all square, but
Yeah.
because that was fine, so everything else
was
just
nice.
fitted easy peasy.
Yes.
But of course, we're not done. There's all the side trimmings to do, and we're going to start preparing the sides and things like that tomorrow. So we have today and we have tomorrow to get it all done. More sidings and stuff. So hopefully they will deliver that.
Yeah.
But anyway, really smooth. Nice to have this one done.
And really nice evening.
Really
we
nice
have now.
evening. So we're just going to spend some time with the family.
Yes.
Hopefully our new chickens will be coming this week. So that's going to be really exciting. Only 2 more days before they start hatching. So that's going to be cool.
Yeah.
So
Exciting.
we'll show you the guys that a bit later on this week. We'll finish this off and then hopefully we can get the polycarbonated on over the weekend and start to fix inside and start to do our growing beds and get our stuff in eventually.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we'll do all the computer stuff and all the fans and all the stuff. That's going to be
and
really
still,
interesting.
yeah.
Yeah. And of course, we got the concrete on, but of course we need to just touch it all up and then we need to paint it and put in the windows and the vents at the top. So yeah.
Still lots of
Still
work.
lots to do, but it's
Yeah.
getting there. Really, really.
Yeah, it's really
exciting.
nice.
Okay. Yeah, but it's getting late. Let's go eat. Let's spend time with the family. Guys, good night. We'll see you in the morning.
Bye.
Bye.
Baby, you and me feel like a slow